Good morning.
Morning.
One of Zoe's favorite things to do is to collect nature finds, leaves, sticks, rocks, pebbles, stones, pine cones. I find little piles in every corner of our house, in every cup holder in our vehicles, and all down inside the diaper bag. Yes, it's lovely and she enjoys it so much. But sometimes I have to say, Zoe, I can't hold any more right now. So I promised her that we would go on a nature walk and she could collect as many leaves as she wanted to. So me and the girls took a walk yesterday. The leaves are really beautiful right now.
This one's mine.
Here in Pennsylvania. It is officially fall for us. So we wanted to get out before all of the leaves turned brown. We wanted to go and find some different colors because very soon they will not be this beautiful.
Why?
And they will get all
winter.
brown and crunchy.
Winter. Yeah, winter.
So we went out yesterday and we collected a bunch of different colors, different shapes.
Of hurt ones.
Zoe found a lot of heart-shaped leaves.
So
anyway, what we're gonna do for this morning is we're gonna put off a little bit of our other strict schoolwork. We're still gonna do a lot of that this afternoon, but I need to fulfill my promise to Zoe. So we have our leaves, we have some paper, we have our laminator pages, and I have my laminator here. And we are going to create a nature book all together.
And I'm gonna say something that I love about my leaves.
And then Zoe's going to say something that she loves about her leaves. So if you'd like to come along with us, stay tuned.
Yeah.
Thanks for being here. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
Show me some that are pretty that you like.
I like the heart one. I found a lot of those ones.
Oh, there's a heart one.
There's another heart. Is this like a heart?
Beautiful.
This one's really pretty. It's
That
like
is really
fire.
pretty.
We went out to collect them yesterday. Wait.
Yeah, well, we're not gonna glue it, but we're gonna fold this over and then we're gonna laminate it so it's gonna be flat and it's gonna be permanent.
Yeah,
but it's not gonna be glue.
You want to put this one here?
And then we'll punch some holes in and we'll make little books up.
Oh.
Okay? Sound good?
Yeah. Now I'm gonna do mine.
Okay.
What I love about this one,
Quadruplets.
this one's called quadruplets. This one, I had to cut off the stems and put it in a laminator. So, and what I love about this one, this one's name is Rainbow.
Rainbow. Which one? You see that?
This one's name is Sparkle.
Sparkle.
This one's name is Fire.
What about this one? That one's pretty.
Spots.
Spot. It's a cute name.
So pretty. I'll be
Pretty.
this one.
It's
Ow.
warm.
Now. These both There we go. I just wanted this all for myself. So We did this. Can we make another book too?
Mm-hmm.
Look. Oh yeah, I remember finding this tiny little one. Look at this tiny one. It's so pretty.
Cute.
Yeah.
Look at the colors.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
So pretty. Got it. And that was a big one.
These are the pages we got done this morning. So Zoe's here. She had a lot of fun with this. And then these were Eden's, but I also ended up doing a lot of these. She started here and then I think she got a little tired of it, which is okay. So I just put some together for her. And then I think that we are going to do this again tomorrow morning, maybe for a little bit. And then we will make some cover pages for our little books. And then I will punch some holes and probably just tie some hemp. And then they'll have little nature books from this season to go back and look through, which I thought might be a fun idea for Zoe, especially because she gets upset when they die and get crunchy. But I tried to explain to her that that's the life cycle of a leaf and that's how God created it to work. And next year we will be blessed to be able to see lots of beautiful colors again. So just be a keepsake for her to remember this year. So yeah, I think we're gonna pick up with this again tomorrow morning and see how far we can get tomorrow. And maybe we'll be able to assemble our books. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we finished up our journals. This one's Zoe's. Yeah, I'll switch with you. This is Eden's, which I helped Eden a lot with hers. She did a couple pages. Zoe did really, really good with hers. Did you have fun with this?
Yes.
Yes, I'm glad. So just made like a cover page for them, Eden's and Zoe's. And then punched some holes and tied some twine or hemp string. And we can remove this if we'd like to add any more pages later. Zoe has already talked about going out and exploring some rocks, which is another thing that she loves doing, is looking at all our different river rocks in our garden, and she looks at the different designs on them. It's actually one of our favorite things to do.
And I asked Mommy to play a little game that we made up too. She says, like, now go find me a small purple rock or a big purple rock or a medium.
Yes, that's one of our favorite games to play, and they have to go on a hunt, find that size and specific color, and bring it back. So anyway, we'll go out at some point. We can't send rocks through our laminators, so we'll take pictures and we will assemble our pictures, and then we can add them on and make a rock section. So now we have our all of our laminated leaves in here. That is really neat because these colors should be preserved. Zoe, you want to show you something?
Here's my first one.
Zoe arranged hers very carefully. So this was really fun. So we learned a lot about leaves and all the colors.
I'm going to say something I love about my leaves.
Yes, tell us something that you love about your book.
I love about, like, this one is like that. I love about it that it's a rainbow. I like the rainbow leaves and heart ones.
Those are your favorites?
Yes.
Good job. So this took us about half a week to complete, a couple minutes each morning. Today's Wednesday, we started on Monday.
There's some big ones too.
But it was really fun. We really, really enjoyed this. So we will preserve these, and then this will go through the rest. Quadruplets.
This one is quadruplets because they're four of them.
We're all together.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's there. One.
Oh yeah, I just blended it. Blended in.
So if you've been here the whole week with us and watched our video, thank you so much. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.